It's Monday motivation. Brilliant women in STEM and manufacturing, explode your week. I'm your leadership coach with over 20 years empowering people like you to shine. Imposter syndrome activates the amygdala, fueling fear, but neuroplasticity rewires for ironclad confidence. The analytical tech brain differs from the empathetic leadership brain, and that's why my coaching helps new and old leaders rewire their brains for success. One new science faculty coachee said, "The sessions transformed my life. I feel motivated and equipped." What if the doubts are glitches to upgrade? Women, at 29% US STEM workforce, your edge ignites innovation. Here's a tip. Visualize your success for 5 minutes. It rewires breakthroughs. You're dominating. Make your Monday fabulous.